So checking out the flash deals this week here at Costco. This right here is the Agio Veranda 4-piece deep seating set. And it looks pretty nice. I just wish that they had the welting around here, which they don't. That's where you would see that thick cord, because it would make your cushions a little firmer if they did. But I'm loving this table. This is such a gorgeous design right here. And they've taken a whopping $400 off on this set here, so it's down to $18.99. This is good until April 24th. And then feast your eyes on this cool set. I like this because it adds a little bit of a dimension to your outdoor patio area because it's curved. This whole sectional here is supposed to be curved. So this is the Sun Villa Calypso 5-piece woven sectional, and it comes of course with this fire table right here as well. This is very easy on the eyes, and it just has a nice natural color to it, neutral shades. And this is $200 off, down to $2,000. All right, next up on our list here, this is the jump starter from Type S. This is a 400 amp jump starter. Everybody should have one of these little things in their car. I have one in my trunk too, and that thing has saved my life a couple of times. And here you can see they've taken $15 off, down to $54.99. And this flash sale is good until April 24th. Now, we showed you this when they had it on sale here at Costco back in December, and I installed one of these, and we have a video on how to install this and how to install any shower faucet in your shower there. So I'll put a link to that video down in the video description below for you. But you can see here, it's on sale. This is not a flash sale, this is just in their regular flyer. And this one ends on May 7th. $25 off, down to $75. This is the same price that they had it for back in December when we first showed you this. And what a coincidence, man, because our smoke detector just failed. Why do they always fail at 2 o'clock in the morning and never at 2 o'clock in the afternoon? Every single time we've had a failure, it happens in the middle of the night, wakes us up. So these are $15 off, down to $44.99. So I can rest easy tonight knowing I had to come in and buy smoke detectors, but I got them on sale. A bargain. Hey, and while they're at it, they also put the 5-pound fire extinguisher on sale. This is the heavy duty one. This sucker's a tank, man. This thing's huge. $10 off, down to $30, folks. And here's another flash sale on your home decorating. This is the Nautica Indoor Outdoor Rugs. These are 7 foot 10 inches by 10 feet. Now check this out, man. Look, $50 off of this sucker right here. And this is good until May 12th. All right, well, this is new here. This is the Molino side table. I haven't seen these here at our Costco here anyway before. So this is what they look like out on your lawn there, and there it is right there. Now this is sort of the partner to these here, the Molino chair. Now this is the one I showed you before. That's down to $59.99 on the chair, right? And these were like $75 when they first came in. Then they dropped them down in the 60s, and now they're $59.99. But the folding table right here is $27.99. And Costco just got this lovely beauty in today. I love this thing right here. Trinity makes a lot of great products. You know I love their utility sink. This is their stainless steel prep table. It's 48 inches long and 24 inches deep. Now these just came in, so they're not on sale. And these are $150. What do you think of this thing? I love this table, man. And finally, we have the Tommy Bahama 5-position backpack beach chairs are on sale here. These are $10 off, down to $30. See, now they have this blue one here also, and it comes with a little pillow and everything. This is a little kind of chintzier. I don't like this as much as there's another model that I've seen them sell here in the past, which I bought. And every time I go to the beach, I see everybody using the same chair as me. This is sort of like their entry level. They have a much nicer one where the pillow is sort of built right into the fabric. It doesn't flop around all over the place like this one does. All right, now check this out. Look at the lines at the gas station, okay? And that's because we had that record flood here in Fort Lauderdale last week, that 100-year storm with a 100-year flood. And a lot of gas stations ran out of gas in our area, like all over the place. And people have been driving around everywhere all week long trying to find gas. In fact, the problem was so bad today that they had this entire half of the parking lot closed over here to be the line, to be the surplus wraparound line that came all the way around and all the way over to there. Now, if you want to see what's so amazing about this, look at this. It's 8:45, all right? Costco closed 15 minutes ago. Gas station closes at 9 p.m. Normally, when I come out, there's no cars waiting in line at the pumps. But as you can see there, there's about 10 cars waiting in line at each one of these pumps. Okay, so here's my Costco haul for today. I always got to get these broccoli florets. I love these. We go through this in a week. My Norwegian salmon, I do 5 slices of this on my egg omelets every single morning. Get those omega-3s going, folks. Helps with your muscle protein synthesis. And of course, I had to buy those 10-year battery fire alarms there. Look at that. And macadamia nuts, I go through these like crazy too. And let's not forget raspberries, man. I make my smoothies and I put these in my oatmeal every morning. Look at this, organic. That's the only type I ever want to buy. Same thing with the strawberries that go in my oatmeal every morning too. Look at this, organic strawberries, folks. That's the key to success for you right there. And check it out, man. Gotta get those tomatoes. I love these guys. These are so great, these little Camparis. Thank you, Lord. Costco actually had free-range eggs in stock today at this late of an hour, man. At 8:30 at night, they had them in stock. And boy, am I glad they did, because I go through 6 eggs every single morning. These 2 containers right here are lucky to last me a week. And we got to keep the kitties happy too, folks. Look at this, they're coming in off the street like crazy. It's just one car after another after another.